The rules have changed. Artificial intelligence now empowers individuals to build what once required entire teams, opening a new era of digital creation. In the past, building games was a difficult and costly endeavor, often requiring large development teams and significant budgets just to get started. Today, we see a major shift. AI has dramatically lowered the barriers to entry, allowing a single person to take charge of the entire creative process. If you are interested in this space, you are still early. The AI creator economy is just beginning to unfold, offering vast opportunities. Here is a simple 9-step blueprint for building your project, covering everything from initial ideation and asset generation to monetization and launch. Step 1. Think. Use tools like Claude to structure your ideas, map out game mechanics, and create a comprehensive project blueprint. Step 2. Visualize. With Higgsfield, you can transform your concepts into stunning cinematic visuals that bring your virtual worlds to life. Step 3. Combine. Integrate your strategy and your visuals into one seamless, efficient workflow to maintain creative momentum. Step 4. Direct. Adopt a director's mindset, focusing on your overall vision while letting AI handle the technical execution. Step 5. Start small. Begin with manageable projects to build your confidence and gain valuable experience quickly. Step 6. Prototype. Validate your ideas before you spend time perfecting them. Test early, learn fast, and iterate constantly. Step 7. Experience. Remember that users connect with emotions. Focus on creating memorable experiences rather than just piling on features. Step 8. Monetize. Turn your creations into valuable assets, building products that generate long-term value for you. Step 9. Execute. Finally, launch your project and improve based on feedback. Consistent execution is better than endless planning. Ready to build? Download the free PDF guide, join our community, and start your AI creator journey today. Remember, execution wins.